can divide it or the mechanism of teaching of this course by lecture presentations. And the second 2 hours we will focus on the practice.
You mean if there is a program, we will design the product?
Yeah, we will take step by step the design program. At the end of this course, you must present your project, and we will, in each lecture, we will talk 2 hours to focus on mind practice or approach which we need to build our project. Course contents, the module number 1 introduce the introduction to manufacturing and product. Product design, engineering design, development process and activities, and we will also focusing on manufacturing. We will talk about very important terms like globalization, significance of manufacturing, manufacturing enterprise will, and at the end of this module we will also talk about the product cycle life. The module number 2, developing successful products, how we will take the money approach on the development process, and we learn about the mind phases for the design process, and we will divide these phases on the different modules as a lab. Design concept, product development process, key factors to developing successful new products, project planning, developing new product plans, product attributes on specifications, and finishing details. Module number 3 talk about the structure of the product design process. What is the design process, design paradigms, basic design requirement, establishing function, setting requirements, developing specifications. Module number 4 talking about design review, designing to ensure quality. And we will talk about product design quality and its dimensions of the quality, like functionality, reliability, usability, and quality control, fundamental process in creation of quality. Also, we will focus on the new approach which is called house of quality or quality function deployment. Do you study the quality control?
No.
No. Any design courses?
Electronics design. In my major, electronics design.
Electronic design. No mechanical.
Biomedical design.
No mechanical parts?
No.
No. So you don't know about mechanical calculations, about the stresses, strength?
I think so. This is in mechanical. I studied mechanical too. I studied these courses.
Machine design.
Yeah, machine design.
Okay. It's another part of this. It is one phase. When we talk about detailed design, we will focus on the calculations. So we want to determine the size, dimensions.
You mean the shape of the shape of
the final parameters or final specifications of the design process. Module number 5, we will learn the consideration and selection of materials. So we will give you a short view on the materials, the new and advanced materials like smart material, and we focus on the material selection process. We have a lot of materials, approximately 100,000 of materials. So usually we want to select suitable materials which is do the functions, and we also look the cost. So we will learn about the main factors which is determine the good selection for materials. Factors in selection of materials, material selection procedures, design recommendations. Module number 6, we will talk about the manufacturing process, and especially for the selection process of manufacturing process. When we build our design, we must know what is the process to make or to build this product, to manufacture the product. Major categories of manufacturing process, design guidelines for all of the manufacturing process. We have many considerations we must take in design guidelines, standardization process. Module number 7, design for assembly and disassembly, and how we can make the disassembly process is faster and easier. Definition and importance of the assembly and disassembly process, part, disassemble and methods of assembly, design guidelines for manual, automotive, and robotic assembly. We have to approach an assembly process, might be by hand, manually, or by robots. Methods of evaluating design.